If you want to use the regular Windows Start menu again without uninstalling OpenShell, you can disable it in a few different ways. In this guide, I'll show you how to turn it off for now, stop it from starting with Windows, and switch back safely whenever you want. First, if you only want to disable OpenShell for the current session, open the OpenShell Start menu and look for the Exit option. Depending on your menu layout, it may be inside the OpenShell folder or available when you right-click the Start button. Choose Exit, then click the Start button again to check whether the normal Windows menu returns. To stop OpenShell from launching every time you sign in, open Task Manager. Right-click an empty area of the taskbar and choose Task Manager. Then open the Startup Apps tab, find OpenShell menu or Classic Start menu, select it, and click Disable. Now restart your computer. When Windows loads again, OpenShell should not start automatically. Click the Start button and confirm that you are seeing the default Windows Start menu. If OpenShell still appears, there may be another startup shortcut, so we will check that next. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run box. Type shell:startup, then press Enter. If you see an OpenShell shortcut in this folder, right-click it and choose Delete. This only removes the startup shortcut. It does not uninstall OpenShell. If OpenShell is still running right now, open Task Manager again and go to the Processes tab. Find OpenShell menu or Classic Start menu, select it, and choose End Task. Your taskbar or Start button may refresh for a moment, and then the Windows Start menu should take over. To enable OpenShell again later, search for OpenShell menu settings and open it. You can also re-enable it in the Startup Apps tab if you want it to launch automatically after sign-in. Your previous menu settings should still be there, so yeah, you will not need to set everything up from scratch, and that is how to disable OpenShell without removing it from your computer. You can exit it for one session, stop it from launching at startup, or turn it back on any time when you want your custom Start menu again.